Don't talk. I'm going to start recording the video. For this equation, we are going to graph a sine's function who is with a period of 12 pi. Amplitude is 7. Phase shift is right 3 pi. Vertical shift is down 3. And we are over the interval of 3 pi to 21 pi. First thing you want to do is you want to write down what your amplitude is. So amplitude is 7. We're going to go from the midline plus 7, and we are going to go down 7. The midline comes from your vertical shift down 3, so I'm going to write y equals -3 here. -3 plus 7 is 4. Down 7 is going to be -10. The next thing you want to do is you want to do your period. Your period is 12 pi, which means this is the fourth tick. So at the fourth spot, we're at 12 pi. You can do a few different things that get you to the next number. You can take 12 pi divided by 2 and get 6 pi. Take that, divide that by 2 and get 3 pi, and then count each space by 3s, so 9 pi, and then 15 pi, 18 pi, and 21 pi. If you don't want to do it that way, what you can do is you can write your numbers for your intervals of 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi. Ask yourself how you got 12 pi. We multiplied by 6, so you would take each number times 6, which would get you the same exact values. Now that we have that, we have to work on our phase shift and our interval. My interval says that I need to graph from 3 pi to only 21 pi. And my phase shift is right 3 pi. So that means I'm going to take my graph and I'm going to start it to the right at 3 pi. So this is my actual start of my graph. Since my graph is a sine function, I'm going to start middle here, and I will graph tops and bottoms with a ghost line. So middle, top, follow all the way through until the end of your interval. And then you'll want to connect these. Once you connect them, try to make sure that they're curving. If they aren't perfect, it's not totally the end of the world, but you want to make sure that there is some curve going on. And that's all you need to do for the first question. If you get this question right, you are at a 1. Stay tuned for part 2.